Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, but it's kind of on the same scheme of things that what we've been doing here with the Jeep on the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and head over to Walmart and we're going to give ourselves a budget of $20, one crisp $20 bill. That's all we can spend, and we're gonna try and get a mod here for the Jeep. So that could be under $20. I might give myself a few dollars over, so it might be like 22 or something like that, but it's gonna try and stay within that $20 budget, but we'll see if we're gonna be able to get it, because you never know, I guess, what we're gonna be able to find, so that's kind of gonna be the fun of it. So let's go ahead and get this Jeep started, head over there, and get right to it. Now before this video starts, guys, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below. We're on our way to that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. We're actually gonna hit it. We might hit it within the next week, which is awesome. We just passed 900 subscribers. We've been growing so rapidly here on the channel, and it's absolutely fantastic. Building the Jeep and growing the channel at the same time. So if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you click that. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. So let's get into the cold start. Hopefully we can find something cool that's gonna be something interesting, I guess, that will fit the car. I guess only time will tell once we get there. I think it's a quick drive, but once we get there, it's gonna be a mission to find something that's gonna look good on the car and fit our $20 budget. So like I said, if you guys have done anything like this from Walmart in that $20 range, or even a little bit more, because I might do videos like this if this one does well here on the channel. So make sure you do leave them down in the comment section below. I would appreciate that, and I'm sure other people would get a lot of help and a lot of use out of you guys commenting and letting them know some other ideas for their Jeeps. It's like one big community here. People driving Jeeps, you know, just doing Jeep things, just guys being dudes. All right, guys, so we just got to Walmart. We got the Jeep looking good, parked next to another Jeep. It's going good. So let's go see if we can find something that's gonna be a $20 mod for the Jeep there inside of a Walmart. I mean, it's gonna be interesting to see if we can find it. I gotta mask up because, you know, it's Corona or something, but it's fine. Let's go ahead and see what we can find. Found the first aisle. Looks like, man. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. All right, we got license plate frames, which are under the $20 mark. These ones come with like black things. I'm not a big fan of license plate frames, but that is an option. They are in the $20 budget. Yeah, all these are in the $20 budget, but I hate license plate frames. But do they have the bolts that are in black? Because if they just have bolts that are in black, then I could use that, like a fastening kit in black. But this one have caps in it. Does not look like it has any caps in it, so these are kind of some basic options here. We could go with the fuzzy steering wheel. Thoughts? What do you guys think in the Jeep? Fuzzy steering wheel? Check this out, boys. Nice fuzzy steering wheel for the Jeep. That might be the wave, I don't know. $21, it's a little bit over, but maybe we'll have to go with that. What else we got? Seat covers. Seat covers are looking like they're 25 to 30. Out of our price range for that. Floor mats. I already have floor mats that actually fit, but they do have some cheap ones. Oh boy, those are awful. Dude, just never. No. I don't know if this would fit, but microfiber cloths. Like, is that a mod? I guess not really. We're gonna go for a mod here. So I think as far as mods go, I think our best thing so far would be some sort of fasteners like this, which aren't really mods, but $4 is kind of cool. I do need some black. These are license plate fasteners right here in black. They feel like they're plasticky though. $2, that's not really a too good of a deal for me. So let's keep looking and see if we can find anything down one of the other aisles. $20, you can get one windshield wiper. I don't know, is that the call? I don't know. This whole aisle is just filled with oil change parts, kind of good stuff, and more oil. So not looking like there's gonna be any mods down this aisle. I think the aisle we need to go down is over there. There's a bunch of people on it though, so it's kind of tough, but we'll hopefully get something going on. All right, we found some more stuff here. These are all cords, cables. I guess they could fit as mods. I don't really know what I'm supposed to classify as a mod. I guess just under $20. Sucks that this charging mat is not enough, because that would be kind of a cool little mod, I guess, to throw in. I'm not sure where I would even put it, but it could go somewhere. We go with this tube down here. I'm not really sure. Looks like a smaller one. It doesn't fit. This is supposed to be a car speaker. What? I guess that works. I don't know. I have no idea what to do for this video. What do we got here? Charging plugs. Nothing. Wow. Get the underglow. Maybe the underglow is the call here. $80. Look at that. Look at that sweet underglow. Wow. They do have the little strips in here, which are 20 bucks. It looks like they just plug right in. Maybe we'll just go with that and do some lighting inside the interior, which would be super weird, but it would be funny for the video, I guess, to kind of have that weird underglow look on the inside. Maybe I'll grab one of these. What colors do they have? Yeah, they have. That one's multicolored, but it's 25. We have to go with a single color to fit the budget for this video. Looks like red, white, and blue, which are the best colors, but can we do all three in one? No. So we're gonna have to pick one color. I think the red might look good in the footwells because we get the red brake calipers. Maybe that's the call with this. I think so far that's the best thing. So if I can find anything else. Now there is Plasti Dip up here, which I guess you could do something with Plasti Dip, but I don't think that's gonna be what I want to do. So I think the call is gonna be one of these 3 different ones here. If we're gonna want to run with the red, the white, or the blue color in the little strip, LED strip underglow kind of thing. So it is locked up, so I'm gonna have to ask someone to come get it. But I think we're gonna go with the red strip. It looks like it plugs right into a thing, and then I'm assuming it just sticks on somehow. I'm not sure how it's gonna stick on. I'll probably just stick it on with tape because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. But that's what we're gonna go with. It's gonna be just at the $20 budget. Including tax, it'll be a little bit over, but I think it'll be fine. So let's go find someone and see if we can get some help to get this thing out.
A few minutes later.
I wanna see what it looks like from like here. Yeah, I think that'll look good, so, or at least look funny for the thing.
Fair enough.
Thank you.
Yeah,
appreciate it. Alright, we've secured the bag, boys. Look at this. That's gonna look so funny inside. But let's go ahead and check out and get out of here. Let's see. Just over with tax, but under with the budget. So let's do it. Alright, the bag has been secured. We're on our way to go install this high quality LED lighting for $20. So let's see how it goes. As always, the Jeep is looking absolutely beautiful over here. Lots to do still, but it's still looking good for what it is. I don't know why there's dogs barking in the middle of a parking lot, but let's go ahead and get in the car so I can tell you guys how much it costs and whatnot. Alright, so I guess basically what it's going to look like is these are going to go down here somewhere, and this is going to be in the foot. I don't know how this is going to go or how these are going to look, but this is going to be funny. Let me set the camera up and just talk to you about it, I guess. Alright, so this is what we ended up getting. We got this nice little LED strip, 30% brighter. Wow, it's a max brighting. It's 24 inches of beautiful red interior LEDs, which supposedly go to a 12-volt outlet. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this works and how this is gonna connect and everything. I have no idea. I guess it's just gonna plug into the 12-volt outlet, and I don't know, but that's kind of what we ended up going with for the $20 budget. Now let me show you. I did show you inside, but I don't know how well it was. So here we go. We got the receipt, and you can see it is $19.87 before tax. Obviously with the 7% tax here, we did end up with $21.26. But it still falls right inside the budget. So let's go ahead and get home, install this thing, and laugh at how it looks. All right, we got some scissors. We've arrived back. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. You can see, ooh, just look how bright those lights are. Ooh, it's gonna be so sick in here. All right, what's the best way to open this so that I can return it if it sucks? We got our instructions. Oh, this looks so sketchy and so scuffed. So here's our instructions on the back here. We got our little 12-volt connector, which we're gonna use because I'm assuming it's just a button click on and off. Okay, I guess that's at least cool and better. And then looks like we have some weird battery pack contraption. I'm assuming that's for this. So the battery is not to be used with the product. Are you sure? Because I think I want to use it. Alright, so the back does have 3M adhesive. I'm literally just manhandling this package right now just to rip these things out. I don't give a darn. Alright, we got it out. It just has the battery pack connected, but I think it's fine. So you literally get these 2 strips like this. So this is what you get, is 2 little LED strips with 3M adhesive on the back. So let's go ahead and figure out what's going on with these things. Let's see what we got in our little prize bag here. If we got anything good for 20 bucks. I'm assuming you can hardwire it. That's what it looked like it said, but so we got a little connector here. All right, let's go ahead and see. We're gonna plug this into our little port down here. I've never even opened this, so how do we even pop this baby open? There we go. Plug this in. All right, we're plugged in. Oh, wow. It works. It works, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. So now, how do you use this thing of sorts? Or can I use this thing to extend it or something? I don't know. I don't know how I'm supposed to get one in that footwell and one in this footwell if it's like this. And I don't even know where these cords are supposed to. This is a mess. I don't know. I think this is a scam. I don't understand how you're supposed to get one in one footwell and one in the other. I guess you gotta have two, which doesn't make much sense. All right, let me grab the camera off of there and pop it down here. And I guess we're just gonna do one footwell, and that's what we got for 20 bucks, guys. So, all right, so we got one try at this, I suppose. So I guess we're just gonna go ahead and find the felt and just stick it to that, or I guess I could stick it to the plastic, but it's gonna be a little weird. So I'm just gonna go right for it because, like I said, if this doesn't work, I'm pretty sure I can just return them to Walmart. So I think it's gonna look awful, and I'm not gonna like it. So if that's the case, at least we had a little bit of fun for this video, but we'll see. All right, we got one stuck on. Now we're gonna grab this with the other little connector like this, and we're just gonna connect this one on and then make it go like this and go back the other way, I guess. I don't really know. Let's go ahead and just send her. All right, look, we got all this 3M trash. It's connected. All you can see is this wire. Look at this. This is a clean install, boys. Clean install. This is what we want. I don't know if I can get up in here, but it is just a mess up there. It's probably gonna fall down in about 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and get the car put into accessory mode so that we can see what these look like. So this is what we're working with in the footwells right now. We're gonna pop it into accessory so we can connect these on. All right, so this is what it's looking like now without the light on. Now we're gonna press our button. Oh, boys, you don't even understand. Look at this. Just look at how red my shoe is, boys. This is what we're talking about. Now that's a race car. If I've ever seen one, that's a race car. I don't know. I think what do I gotta do? Get a second one for over there now? So I can have a double race car? But only when I press the NOS button, which is in here. We should get a little NOS sticker for it and just make that the NOS button, like speed. All right, let's be honest. That's just like a beauty in itself. Like that is just so fantastic. Let's hop out here. It's gonna yell because it's in accessory mode. But look at this, boys. Look at this super ridiculous racer install. This is a super ridiculous install for my Jeep because this is something you're gonna do to your Honda Civic when you're in high school. But I really don't think that's gonna last in the Jeep at all. It is so funky. Look at this. Just look at the way that it's taped up in there. This is just, it's gonna fall down in like 3 seconds. That is not hanging on, but for, I mean, $20, what can you guys do? I mean, it is what it is. It's a funny little mod. It's a funny video, but there is other things that you guys saw in the video that you guys could do at Walmart. Like I said, if you have anything down below in the $20 price range, $10 price range, even if you want to go all the way up to the $50, $100 price range, let me know down in the comments below because I definitely want to check that out and see if there's anything that you guys think that I could do or that you guys have done or other people could do on their Jeeps or just their cars in general, because I think things like this are so fun and they're so funny. You just run down the street and grab something like this and throw it in your car and then you get something funny like this. So that's gonna be about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure you click that like button down below. Of course, comment, like I said, anything down below. I reply to every single comment in the comment section below. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with future content. We're on our way to that 1,000 subscriber mark, like I said, by the end of the year. We're probably like 90 off right now, so I think we're gonna hit it. So if you guys could click that, that would be absolutely fantastic. But that's about it for this video, guys. Peace.